Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 2 to the power of 10 minus 2 to the power of 9. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite this 10 as 9 plus 1. So we have 2 to the power of 10 minus 2 to the power of 9, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 9 plus 1 minus 2 to the power of 9. Now, an important property of exponents is that if we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So the base simply distributes with the exponents. So I'm going to use this property for 2 to the power of 9 plus 1. We can think of 2 as a, 9 as m, and 1 as n. So this would equal to 2 to the power of m, which is 9, times 2 to the power of n, which is 1. And now we are subtracting this with 2 to the power of 9. And now this is equal to, now I'm going to factor out 2 to the power of 9 from this. So if I factor out 2 to the power of 9, I get 2 to the power of 9 times, now 2 to the power of 9 divided by 2 to the power of 9 is 1. And then I have, 2 to the power of 9 times 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of 9 is simply just 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of 9 divided by 2 to the power of 9 is 1. And now this is equal to 2 to the power of 1 minus 1 is simply 1. So I have 2 to the power of 9 times 1, which is equal to, anything times 1 is itself, so 2 to the power of 9. Now for 2 to the power of 9, this is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 5, because remember, a to the power of m plus n, a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So now 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So we have 16 times 32. We have 32 times 16. 2 times 6 is 12. We carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Then we add our 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. We carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 5. So our final answer is 512. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this simple problem that many people actually get wrong. So we have negative 2 squared minus negative 2 squared minus negative 2 squared. Now, to solve this problem, let's actually solve it with each individual term. So as you can see, we have 3 terms here. I'm going to first start by doing negative 2 squared. So if you guys know order of operations, which is PEMDAS, PEMDAS, well, this is the order of operations in which you solve a mathematical problem. So P, this stands for parentheses, E, this stands for exponents, M, this stands for multiplication, D, this stands for division, A, this stands for addition, and S, this stands for subtraction. So as you can see, we first look for parentheses. And since we're solving this term first, there actually are no parentheses. So then we're going to go ahead and look for exponents. And as you can see, 2 squared, that's an exponent. So that's what we first do. We first do 2 squared. So we get 4, and then we have the negative sign after. So the value of negative 2 squared is negative 4. So now we have minus. Now let's do this one. So negative 2 squared. Well, as we already know, negative 2 squared is negative 4, right? So this would be negative 4 minus, now we have negative 2 squared. And, well, remember, both 2 and negative 2 squared, they're both equal to positive 4. So now this would equal 4. And as you can see, in this one, this is negative 4. However, in this one, negative 2 squared, this is simply just positive 4. And that's because the negative sign isn't in the parentheses. There's no parentheses, so the negative sign isn't included with the 2. So this is just normal 2 squared, and this is negative 2 squared. So now we could simply just simplify this problem and solve. Now we have negative 4. Of a negative is a positive, so plus 4, and we have minus 4. These two cancel out, and we are simply just left with negative 4. And this is our answer.